This is the new design, the 9 LED waterproof battery power light, and you can see this big lens 25 degree. But this LED lamps is a SMD lamp, not common lamp. So the brightness is higher than normal one. This is aluminum. Power in, power out. DMX in, DMX out. Power switch. The wireless receiver. And this is the touch LCD display. And this light a little heavy. Really a little heavy. And compared with the other traditional model, and we can feel the brightness. This area is higher than the other model. It's a fade mode. This is auto. And we can see the wash area, the wash effect. So this model compared with the other model, the brightness really higher a little. It's red color, green, blue, white, amber, and purple. And this is the mix color. We use the remote controller to change the color. And this is the fade. And this is the auto.